Hey guys, welcome back to Fixin' It, and today we're going to change the rear springs on this 1988 Mustang GT. Alright guys, we took off the wheels, and what he's going to do is disconnect the bottom of the shock, and then we're going to lower the suspension, and hopefully that gives us enough room for this the spring to come out. Alright guys, so it's a 19 millimeter on the one side, and
55 torques.
And 55 torques on the other side. These are aftermarket, so we don't know if it's going to be the same for Yoko. So Kiko's or whatever to call.
Thank God.
All right, he's gonna disconnect these
Stabilizing shock.
whatever they called, these extra shocks. I mean, you could always unbolt it from the control arm over here and lower it.
Yeah, we're trying to avoid that because this bolt's probably stuck in the bushing.
Oh, okay, so trying to avoid extra problems. Yeah, strip it. All right.
How's it look?
I don't know.
Feel it.
Listen, I'm just filming today. I'm not getting dirty.
I'll get up.
It should come out now when you push it. There you go.
That's how you do that, folks. End of the spring has to go over here. You see the markings on the spring that where it was. That's where the end of the spring's got to go. Line up with.
What are you lining up?
Here, if you look under here on this side where my finger's pointing.
Yeah.
That's where the end of the spring was, and here's the end of the spring. You kind of want to put this where that was.
Oh, okay.
Something like that. Now.
All right. We found the isolator for the top.
After we installed the spring. So people.
All right.
I can't see that.
All right. Let me help you.
Isolator makes it thicker.
Want me to push more? You good? All right.
It's in. Now we're done with this side.
All right. That's what it looks like in.
But see, this is a carbon core. See how tight it is up top, and then as it goes down, it gets wider. It's a carbon core, so you can put weight in the car. The car's not going to find them out. The spring's made to take weight. And it should lift it up a little bit in the ass. That'll lift it up. Otherwise, you're going to have to buy coilover shocks. Yeah, we're going to use like that. Those jack stands are too flimsy. You see them rocking. Scary jack stands.
I got better ones in the back. I think I was thinking about that.
This one I got all by myself. Steppy.
All right, watch your face.
My face
Ready? Win.
Take that bolt that's lined up in the top. Thanks. Can you see it? It's still up off.
I can't see it.
Drums in the way. Give me back this sucker. This is pretty much useless.
I think they need better gloves.
Yeah, these are Home Depot quality gloves, as you can see. Fucking Home Depot. Even her gloves suck. Alright, one down. No, I don't. Just had to maneuver properly. Maneuver it properly. Too crazy these things. Double the this harder. I'm sure it'll take off. He wants to buy the Cougar, he wants to buy the heads. Let's think about that. This is a nice little gun.
Definitely looks higher up.
It definitely is. At least it sits even now.
Yeah. Everybody's looking to lower their stang. You jacked it up. All right, guys, that's how you do real springs on a 1988 Mustang. I hope this video helped you out. Like and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Take care.